Are you looking for the best fire pits? In this video we will look at some of the 4 best fire pits on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Best overall fire pit. The double-walled stainless steel construction provides a more robust platform than its aluminum counterparts, and we noticed its ability to withstand the elements longer, says our lead reviewer. Weighing 21 pounds, it's portable and offers above-average heat for its size, though the Solo Stove Yukon 2.0 and Tiki brand Reunion Smokeless produce more. It produces clean and efficient flames, meaning less mess to deal with, and results in a longer 60-minute burn time in our tests, notes our lead tester. Compared to the original Solo Stove, the 2.0's removable ash pan is the main upgrade, not justifying replacement. The Solo Stove Yukon 2.0 burns hotter, lasts 70 minutes, and takes 22-inch logs, but is pricier, heavier, 42 pounds, less portable, 27 diameter, and uses more wood, increasing costs. Specifications. Measured weight 9.62 kilograms 21.2 pounds. Fuel type wood, pellet, adapter sold separately. Measured burn time 60 minutes. Measured assembly time 3 minutes. Max recommended log length 40.6 centimeters 16. The bonfire lacks strong radiant heat output. You can increase warmth with Solo Stove's heat deflector, sold separately. While the price of the Solo Stove is in line with competitors, sometimes the stand is sold separately and is excessively expensive. We started without the stand, but it then burned a hole in our deck. Solo Stove customer service was sympathetic and sent us a stand for free. Since this is a necessary part of the setup, we've linked the model with the stand included in this review. Number 2. Best portable propane fire pit. The use of propane makes this fire pit a versatile choice, whether in the backyard or at the campsite. The Outland Living Mega produces no smoke and boasts a 58,000 BTU rating, giving off a solid amount of heat relative to its size. While heat output is not as hot as its wood counterparts, like the Solo Stove Yukon 2.0, having an adjustable flame dial, minimal cleanup, and a fire pit free of fire restrictions is a great trade-off. It was surprisingly portable relative to its steel construction and design shape. Even better, once you turn off the flame, the fire pit cools down in 30 to 60 minutes compared to many hours for a wood-burning fire pit. Some users may find the lack of an electric igniter a problem, although electric igniters tend to fail over time. With continuous burn, this fire pit will go through a 20-gallon propane tank in about 6 to 7 hours. This pit may not provide the heat output as desired in colder conditions, making it less appealing to those seeking maximum heat output. Overall, the Outland Living Mega is still a great choice for those seeking a propane fire pit with a versatile, no-frills design. While the included lava rocks do not evoke traditional campfire feels, upgrading to fake logs like the Barton ceramic wood log set is easy. Specifications. Measured weight 11.3 kilograms 25 pounds. Fuel type propane. Measured burn time 400 minutes. Measured assembly time 3 minutes. Number 3. Best large fire pit. Like the Bonfire 2.0, the Yukon provides a great fire pit experience from Solo Stove's thoughtfully designed 360-degree airflow. Our testers emphasized that it burns clean and requires minimal work to ignite. Tending the fire was minimal, and the heat output was consistently hot from start to finish. Smoke was minimal and only present when igniting and extinguishing, which is to be expected. The larger size can accommodate logs up to 22 inches, which helped produce a strong fire that we could still feel from over 6 feet away. Specifications. Measured weight 19.1 kilograms 42 pounds. Measured burn time 70 minutes. Measured assembly time 3 minutes. Max recommended log length 55.9 centimeters 22. When purchasing a Solo Stove fire pit, the buyer can purchase a stand for an additional cost. The stand is an important feature for most users to avoid damaging the ground below the fire. Many competitors have designs with built-in stands or include stands with your purchase. If you value a built-in stand and an intuitive ashtray, another option worth checking out is the Tiki brand Reunion Smokeless Pit. The Tiki is almost 20 pounds heavier and has a much smaller maximum log size. However, it costs about the same as the Yukon if you buy the matching stand. Our testers also found the sleek design of the Solo Stove model visually appealing. Number 4. Best Propane Fire Pit for Home. The Granville held up remarkably well. The previous model, the Hearth Fire Pit Table, showed many more chips and dings and had to be replaced in less than 2 years. In addition, the Granville is at a great height, is better for drinks and food placement, and allows you to store the propane tank under the table. The low-height models usually have a long hose that is difficult to conceal and requires a second location for the propane tank. Like all propane models we tested, the piezo igniter is not as durable or consistent as we would like. It also doesn't crank out the heat. Our lead tester claims, the flames provide some warmth but are more for ambience than overcoming freezing temperatures. Check out the Solo Stove Yukon 2.0 if heat output is a top priority. The pricing of the Outland Living Granville is also somewhat confusing. The manufacturer lists a high price, but always has nearly 50% off. The different colors can also vary wildly in price at different retailers. Despite our critiques, we love the look, durability, and size, and think this model is the best option for homes we've tested. Specifications: measured weight 43.5 kilograms 96 pounds. Fuel type propane. Measured burn time 400 minutes. Measured assembly time 5 minutes.